Hi, would you like to know how to detect if your Applescript is already running and maybe not run something else? Well, today I can show you how to do that. Hi, I'm Mike from Mike's Tech. We're explaining how to solve life's technical challenges using automation and other technology. So this is more an advanced script. That's something I've just come across as a bit of a problem thinking about the bills automation and what happens if multiple bills come in ready for Hazel to send off some scripts. And so I just thought, hey, we just need to put some sort of delay. I did a bit of searching around and I came up with this little script, and I've actually had one of those things where I've actually thought of a better idea, but I'll leave that for the end. So ultimately what I'm trying to do here is detect if the script is already still running. So that bill comes in, it fires off the Applescript. Now, in hindsight, it's probably only going to take a couple of seconds to run, but I don't know, it's just an idea. It's a thought. It's a bit of a, I suppose, catching an error to some degree to ensure that the script can't be running twice. So really what we're going to do is store data in the default, defaults, which is a bit of a terminal command. So I've got them written here, so we can actually use defaults read, and we can see if we've already got one. So we'll just try that in terminal here. So it's saying it doesn't exist. So what we can do is we can do a defaults write. And we need to do it in a key paired. So what I mean by that is this needs to be the key, and that needs to be the value. If you don't put that on the end, it will fail. But what we actually want to do is, I think what I was thinking about is I'd actually change that to script is running, and we'll set that to true. And then we know that the script is running. The true or false doesn't really matter, but as I said, you need to have something there. So we've done that. And now if we go back and do our defaults read, it tells us script is running true. Okay, great. And you can see how you could have multiple different things in here, etc. You can have multiple keys and values, but we're just trying to do something really simple. So I sort of got this script. This is actually a little bit from the Late Night Software. They're the creators of Script Debugger, which is an alternative to Apple's script tool, script editor. So this, what I'm trying to do in this Apple script ultimately is just come through, check to make sure we're using this function down here, which is check my first run. It's doing that read, and if it basically gets back like I did before, if it gets back this error, then it knows that it's not there, and so then we know, hey, okay. So what would happen right now, theoretically, is that we'll just clear that. And we'll turn the log back on. I actually wanted to empty it. So this would actually be in a situation where so what it's running through is we're doing a repeat while my first run is true, and it's true at the moment because we basically got when it tried this, hey, look at that, we got that wrong because I changed this to script is running, and we haven't updated that. So we'll change that and make sure it's not anywhere else. We could set that as a variable as well. But at the moment, see how we are in a bit of a loop, and we'll see. I've just noticed that comes out, it doesn't actually report to the log, but you can see we're in a bit of a delay, and we just keep looping. Now, I could actually get this to at defaults right. We could actually go defaults delete, but we didn't sort of get there fast enough. So, So now if I run the script again, okay, I noticed I had a bit of a typo, an equal sign here. That's why it was actually detecting. So Right, so what we could do is we could actually delete this now. Whoops. We've deleted it, and so over here our script should actually catch that and go, oh, yep, everything is actually correct now. So we can see it's off and running. I notice that it doesn't seem to catch it straight away, but here we go, condition met. So that's actually been really useful for when we're trying to do that sort of stuff in the future. Just a food for thought for next time is we could actually put the date and time in here as well and say last time the script was running, and then say 60 seconds. If it's not done by 60 seconds, then wait 60 seconds and then just go and try it again. From that last time. So it would only happen if the script time was in the last 60 seconds, otherwise it would just ignore and run the script. If it was in the last 60 seconds, we would get it to run. So yeah, just something cool I wanted to share with you. As I said, a bit more of an advanced thing, but definitely helpful. Okay, thanks for watching.